A training session on installing Ubuntu 22.04 was held on April 1st, 2025 at S.A.T. HS Manjeshwar. The session, which started in the morning, was attended by Little Kite members who installed the software on laptops throughout the school. This training was introduced after the changes in the secondary school IT textbook to promote hands-on learning. Students also learned image software creation, bootable drive setup, and new application usage. The session helped them gain practical IT skills and confidence in software handling.